Welcome back, students. You have seen the video on addition of mixed numbers. Now let's revise them once again. On my page, I have written your first example 4 2 upon 3 plus 8 4 upon 7. Now these are two mixed numbers having different denominators. One number is with denominator 3 and the second number is with denominator 7. So both are different. They are unlike. Let's see the methods to solve addition of these two mixed numbers. Basically, there are two methods. First, we will go for method 1. To add these two numbers, what we can do? We will first solve this part, and then after that we can add. And in second method, what we are going to do? We are going to add two whole numbers and then separately add their fractions. We'll know both the methods. We will go part by part. Let's go for first method. 4 2 upon 3 plus 8 4 upon 7. First we will solve this part and then this part. Plus sign remains same. What we have studied? How to add this? 3 4s are 12 plus 2. 3 4s are 12 plus 2 is 14 upon 3. Here 7 8s are gives you 56. 7 into 8 will give you 56 plus 4 gives you 60 upon denominator 7. I'll continue here. Okay. Now, this will be equal to. Now, there are both denominators equal. So, what we have to do? We have to first make their denominators equal. To make the denominators equal, what we have to do? We will multiply this 7 up and down, that is for numerator and denominator, and this 3 for this numerator and denominator. So 14 upon 3 plus 60 upon 7 will remain same, including we are going to multiply 7 and 7 here and 3 and 3 to this side. Now let's solve it. So 14 into 7 will give you 98 upon 3 7s are 21. Here 60 into 3 will give you 180. 3 7s are 21. Now you can add them. To add, always remember, if there are two mixed numbers, while adding you have to first check if their denominators are same. Then only you can add them. Unless and until the denominators are same, you have to make their denominators same and then you can add it. Now 21 and 21 both are same. 21, 98 plus 180, it gives you 278. So this is your answer. Fine. Now we will check for the second method. I'll write the same example. 4 2 upon 3 plus 8 4 upon 7. Here we will first do the addition of whole numbers. 4 plus 8, 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 7 is equal to 4 plus 8 will give you 12. Then this 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 7, here too the denominators are different, so we have to do the multiplication, cross multiply same way. 2 upon 3 will remain same, 4 upon 7 will remain same. This 7 goes here and this 3 goes here. Got it? Now 12 will remain same. 2 sevens are 14 upon 3 sevens are 21 plus 4 threes are 12 upon 3 sevens are 21 is equal to, I'll write it here, I'll continue it there. Now denominators are same, therefore we can do the addition of fractions. 14 plus 12, it will give you 26 upon 21, keeping 12 besides it. Now even though you write the bracket or you don't write the bracket, it doesn't mean at all. It means same. Therefore, now here there is 12. So we have to do the complete fraction. So 12 into 21 plus 26 whole upon 21 is equal to, it gives you 278 upon 21. See, our answer is same. So that means whatever we have solved is correct. Fine. Now we'll go for the second example. I have written here denominators same. You can see 6 and 6. 3 1 upon 6 plus 5 2 upon 6. Let's check how to solve the fractions with equal denominators. We'll go for first method and then we'll go for second method. Clear? Now, first method, how we have done here first method? Conducting this part and then finally adding it. Same way we will do here for carrying the solving this answer and then we will add the both. 6 3s are 3 1 upon 6 plus 5 2 upon 6 is equal to 6 3s are 18 plus 1 upon 6 plus 6 5s are 30 plus 2 upon 6. Now this is equal to 18 plus 1 is 19 upon 6 plus 30 plus 2 will give you 32 upon 6. Both denominators are equal, therefore we can add them. This denominator 6, 19 plus 32, 51. We'll go for the second method. Yes, I'll write down the same example. 3 1 upon 6 plus 5 2 upon 6. Here, first we will do the addition of whole numbers. 3 plus 5, then 1 upon 6 plus 2 upon 6. 3 plus 5, 8. 1 plus 2 will give you 3 upon 6. Now why we have done here addition directly instead of making the denominators equal, as already the denominators are equal, therefore there was no need for us to make their denominators equal, so we can add them. Is equal to 6 8s will give you 48 plus 3 upon 6. Answer is 48 plus 3 is 51 upon 6. Yes, we are correct. And here we have the same answer. Got it, students? I hope you understand this video. Thank you.